Today, we're going to make sure you can handle those paper jams on your Kyocera 4 series like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do when that dreaded paper jam message pops up, saving you time, stress, and maybe even money. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Copy. So we've all been there. You're rushing to print something, and the printer decides to chew up your paper instead. It's annoying, it's stressful, and it feels like your printer has a personal vendetta against you. But the truth is, paper jams happen, and they can be fixed quickly if you know what you're doing. When you encounter a paper jam, the first thing to do is check the control panel on your Kyocera 4 series printer. The great thing about this printer is that it actually tells you where the jam is located. That's right. It'll display exactly where the paper is stuck, whether it's in the tray, near the fuser, or in the output area. This makes your job a whole lot easier. Now, before you start, turn off your printer. This is crucial because it's not just about fixing the jam, but also about preventing any damage to your machine. Let's get to work. Open the cover of your printer, following the instructions displayed on the control panel. This is where most jams occur, especially near the fuser unit. Carefully and slowly remove the jam paper. If it's sticking out of the fuser, grab it with both hands and pull gently. The key here is to pull the paper out in the direction it's supposed to go. Don't yank it out too hard. This could tear the paper, leaving pieces behind that could cause another jam. Next, check the entire paper path. Look for any stray bits of paper or other obstructions. Sometimes even a tiny shred of paper can cause another jam. Also, double check that there's no paper stuck in the tray or the output area. Once everything's clear, close the cover and turn the printer back on. Run a test print to make sure everything's back to normal. If the printer still shows an error message, you might need to open the cover again and double check for any remaining bits of paper or something out of place. Now let's talk prevention. To avoid future jams, make sure you're using the right paper for your printer. The Kyocera 4 series works best with high-quality, standard weight paper. Also, always fan your paper before loading it to prevent sheets from sticking together, and don't overload the paper tray. And there you have it. Clearing paper jams on your Kyocera 4 series printer is straightforward when you know what to do. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your office running smoothly. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.